Hi kids, in this video we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. This is for beginners. Let's go. This is red color. Which color? Red color. 1. 1. This is 1. 2. This is green color. 2. 2. This is 2. Black color. 3. 3. This is 3. Pink color. 4. 4. This is 4. Blue color. This is blue color. 5. 5. This is 5. 6. This is green color. 6. This is 6. 7. 7. This is pink color. 7. And this is 7. 8. 8. This is 8. This is 8. 9. This is 9. This is 9. 10. This is 10. This is 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope kids you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Bye bye.